Knock, knock. Who's there? Me. I kill you.
You bloody fucking phone is fucking ringing, bastard! Listen la, your bloody phone is telephone fucking ring. Bloody hell, pick your fucking phone up, you bastard motherfucking cunt. Your bloody telephone, a bloody fucking ring, bastard. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. I'm fucking telling you, fucking sick and tired of this bloody fucking phone. I'm telling you, motherfucker, you pick your fucking phone up, you bloody bastard.
There is someone calling, hey, your phone is ringing, and you better answer so we don't have to suffer. And hear that someone's calling, hey, your phone is ringing, come on and pick it up, or else it won't stop. So pick up your phone.
It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever.
Sorry, but no one's available to answer your call at this time. If you'd like to leave a message, please wait for the beep, then press pound, press 3, then dial your name, then press 6 and dial your number, then press star, press 69, ask for extension 4443, then leave your name and message. If you want to leave your number and the time you called, please press star twice, bark like a dog, spin in a circle, press 1 26 times, and wait for the beep. And thanks.
When you've got some weed and nowhere to smoke, take a thumbtack and an empty Coke can, put some holes in it and break up your bud. Throw it on the top and now you can smoke some. Do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, always smoke a bowl of. Do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do.
I may be small, I may look sweet.
I made me scared.
Fuck off, you stupid cunt.
Ding 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 ding.
Ding, 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 ding. Look at me, I'm fucking funny. Fuck off. This is what a ringtone should sound like.
I'm a gangster. I drop bombs like Hiroshima. I'm a gangster. Bitch suck on my wiener. I'm a gangster. I drive a cool car. I'm a gangster. I smoke weed in a cigar. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now. So baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. I'll see you later on, later on. I got money in my pocket, money in my pocket. I got money in my pocket, oh yeah. I got money in my pocket, money in my pocket. I got money flying everywhere. I got money in my pocket, I got money in my pocket. I got money. I got money in my pocket, money in my pocket. I got money flying everywhere.
I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass. And I'm all out of bubblegum.
Pick up the phone.
My God.
Pick up the phone, cause you want this call and you cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. When a girl calls in with a custom tone and is ringing on your brand new phone, you get sprung. Better pick up, son, cause it just might be the one. Could be a duck named Sharon. Don't front, cause you know you ain't caring. Pick up the phone.
You got another stupid-ass message from another stupid-ass person that you probably don't give a rat's ass about. You better get back with them quick, though, because if you don't, they'll keep bugging you and bugging you and bugging you. They're never gonna leave your fucking ass alone. So go ahead and get back with them, but it is okay to send them a message to tell them to fuck off.